Close your eyes and envision a future where money is no longer a concern. Picture waking up every morning with complete security and tranquility, knowing that all your needs are met, and then some. Instead of feeling that familiar knot of anxiety when the bills arrive, you experience a sense of lightness and even excitement, thinking about the new experiences and luxuries you can enjoy this month. Perhaps you imagine sleeping in late without needing an alarm clock, as you no longer have to exchange your time for money. Or maybe you see yourself indulging in your dream vacations or indulging in a carefree day of shopping. Imagine being able to generously give to your loved ones without a second thought. On this day, cosmic energies align in a unique way, offering us a window of opportunity to sow the seeds of abundance in our lives. It's time to harness the power of March 22nd and start creating the life you truly desire. Abundance affords us the opportunity to live with complete freedom. For many, this scenario seems like a distant dream, as we find ourselves trapped in the cycle of working long hours and unsatisfying jobs, saving penny by penny, and living from paycheck to paycheck, while our biggest dreams and desires remain out of reach. But what if we could shift that mindset of scarcity and open the doors to unlimited prosperity? Speaking of wealth, imagine an abundance that surpasses even your wildest dreams, wealth that flows to you with divine ease. Your bills are paid automatically as this infinite wealth floods your life for you to enjoy. It may sound unbelievable, but this is the reality you were born for, a life of overflowing abundance, freedom, and pure magic. Today, I'm going to share the secret to manifesting the dream permanently, an ancient ritual, a talisman that connects directly to the powerful energy of the universe to attract infinite wealth and abundance directly to you. This isn't just a temporary fix, it's the key to a complete and lasting shift in your mindset towards prosperity. Let's be realistic, we've all experienced the feeling of teetering on the edge of scarcity at some point in our lives, especially when it comes to money. The constant worry that it will never be enough, as the bills pile up and our dreams are postponed, and our bank accounts dwindle to nothing, is an exhausting cycle. Isn't it? Spending more time in jobs we detest just to stay financially afloat can seem daunting. But I want to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. You can free yourself from that scarcity mindset forever and step into a life of infinite and overflowing abundance. Imagine a reality where scarcity doesn't even cross your mind. Visualize waking up every morning feeling deeply grateful and at peace, with no worries about money because you know the universe is working to keep wealth flowing to you limitlessly. You have more than enough to cover all your bills automatically while indulging in luxuries and treats, exquisite dinners, spa days, designer shoes. Nothing is out of reach because prosperity is your natural state of being. This life of complete financial freedom is ready for you. I'm about to reveal to you the secret to manifesting this life of abundance through an ancient sacred ritual that acts as a powerful talisman to attract riches beyond your wildest dreams. To begin, you'll need to gather some simple yet powerful elements. First, find a small bag or jar made of fabric rich in red or golden tones, or even glass. These colors are directly associated with wealth attraction in many ancient traditions. If you don't have the perfect bag on hand, don't worry. Any glass jar, even one for spices, will serve perfectly for this purpose. You can even wrap the talisman in red or golden fabric, or aluminum foil, to activate those prosperous energies. Next, you'll need powdered cinnamon, a warm and luxurious spice that has long been used in money manifestation rituals due to its energizing and abundant properties. Take a small bowl or pouch of cinnamon from the pantry. You'll also want to have some sugar on hand. This sweetener serves to amplify and enhance the manifestation effects of the other ingredients, almost like giving a vibrational boost to the universe's ritual. Finally, take a small piece of plain white paper and your favorite pen in red, green, or gold. These prosperous and bold colors will infuse your handwritten affirmations and intentions with a powerful creative force. Once you have all these elements gathered, hold them in your hands for a moment, and simply breathe. Connect with the ancestral energy of your tools, acknowledging that you are accessing sacred and mystical forces passed down for centuries to activate infinite wealth in your life. Feel the power pulsating through each ingredient as you prepare to create your divine talisman with an open heart and the pure intention of manifesting overflowing abundance. Let's begin. Before activating and properly charging our wealth talisman, it's crucial to cleanse any negative or stagnant energy that may surround the materials. We want to create a clean and prosperous canvas for the manifestation work ahead. I recommend using the ancient smoke ritual to purify your bag or jar, as well as the paper and pen. If you don't have a smoke wand or a bundle of dried sage on hand, a bit of powdered cinnamon in a heat-resistant dish will work perfectly. Light the smoke wand or sprinkle some cinnamon, allowing the fragrant smoke to rise. With a feather or your hand, guide the aromatic smoke over and around each item, visualizing it instantly dissolving any weight, blockage, or residual scarcity vibration associated with the objects. As you smudge, you can say aloud or silently, "I cleanse and purify these tools to manifest wealth. I release all energy that no longer serves my highest abundance. It is now released." Once everything has been richly purified in this manner, take a moment to hold the ingredients in your hands, focusing your energy. Recite an affirmation to dedicate the tools, such as, "I dedicate these precious elements to serve my highest financial freedom. I fully open myself as a vessel for infinite prosperity to flow through me." Visualize your hands and the tools radiating bright, radiant light as you declare your intention. You have now sanctified the space and the materials, making them ready to receive deeply manifesting forces. Feel that sense of openness and alignment with abundance beginning to manifest. Purification was the first sacred step in activating the channels of wealth. By approaching this ritual with reverence, we amplify its potent effects. Now, let's enjoy and begin to create our amazing prosperity talisman. The fun part has arrived, activating and charging this wealth talisman to become a powerful magnet, attracting infinite riches to your path. Begin by placing the warm, stimulating powdered cinnamon in your bag or jar until it's approximately halfway full. The rich color and energizing aroma of cinnamon make it the perfect representation and intuitive link to the riches that are on their way. As you pour the cinnamon, visualize an endless flow of money opportunities, values, and luxuries entering your life. Clearly see that flow of wealth coming to you with remarkable ease and consistency. Enjoy the feelings of gratitude, peace, and luxury that this vision evokes. Then, sprinkle just a bit of sugar over the mound of cinnamon. This subtle sweetener amplifies the manifestation vibrations and adds an extra touch of energy to enhance the prosperous effects of the talisman. As the sugar settles, declare an affirmation aloud, such as, "I activate these ingredients to attract sweetness and infinite abundance. I accept with confidence and full awareness the wealth that the universe offers me." Then, on your piece of paper, write a concise yet powerful affirmation about wealth using your colorful pen. For example, "I am divinely rich," or "wealth of spectacular proportions flows to me effortlessly." You can also be more specific, visualizing things like, "My business explodes in profits," or "My investments flourish beyond belief." Write whatever feels most energizing and true to you in this moment. When the affirmation solidifies your intention, fold the paper towards you. This symbolic gesture directs the riches to manifest directly into your experience. Finally, place the paper inside the cinnamon and sugar in your bag or jar. As you do so, visualize your entire being as an energetic magnet radiating vibrations of wealth out into the universe. Feel your receptive power strengthening. Congratulations! You have now activated an incredibly powerful force to manifest all the luxury and financial freedom you could desire. Don't be surprised if you start noticing auspicious signs of money, lucky coins, or intuitive impulses towards prosperity in the days ahead. By combining these simple yet energetically charged ingredients, you have created perhaps one of the most profound wealth talismans. You have opened energetic channels for the riches of the universe to abundantly pour upon you. But we haven't concluded yet. There's one final important step to increase the impact of this talisman in your life. With your wealth talisman fully activated and charged, it's time to invite the powerful forces of prosperity into your living space in your everyday life. This is the crucial last step that will exponentially amplify the manifestation effects. First, take a moment to hold your bag or jar filled with cinnamon and sugar, along with the inscribed affirmation, gently gazing at it and feeling a deep sense of gratitude and receptivity enveloping you. This humble object is truly a miraculous tool imbued with sacred metaphysical energy. As you hold the talisman, declare an invocation, such as, "With this talisman, I open the floodgates for infinite wealth and luxury in my life. I welcome the generous riches of the universe to flow to me in perfect ways." Experience that sense of openness and permission growing within you, expanding. You are becoming a magnet for money, values, services, opportunities, and experiences of prosperity. Prosperity is your birthright, and now you are claiming it. When you feel completely aligned, I would recommend placing your activated talisman in your room, as close to your bed or sleeping space as possible. Our subconscious minds are most malleable and receptive during peaceful sleep. Then, this allows the energy of the talisman to permeate your mind during the night. Ideally, place it on your nightstand, under the bed, or anywhere within 3 feet of where you sleep, as you immerse yourself in sleep and work with your unconscious shadow. The process of metaphysical imprinting can occur more powerfully for turbocharged results. I suggest holding your talisman every morning and night while reciting the inscribed affirmation. Visualize examples of wealth, luxury, and abundance flowing into your experience from an infinite source. Engage all your senses, almost feeling the weight of your full wallet or vivid images of your car, house, or dream vacations. The more you engage with and amplify the power of the talisman, the sooner you will begin to manifest evidence of financial freedom in the physical world. Keep affirming, visualizing, and believing that you are divinely prosperous, while allowing this powerful tool to do its metaphysical work. If you follow these final steps with consistency and certainty in your prosperity, get ready, because deposits of wealth and luxury will begin to rain down in a magically serendipitous manner. There you have it, my prosperous friend. Now you have all the tools and activated energy to manifest infinite wealth and luxury in your life. By creating this ancient metaphysical talisman and following the steps of the ritual, you have literally opened energetic portals for the riches of the universe to flow directly to you. Get ready for the unexpected. Money, assets, incredible opportunities, and luxurious experiences will begin to appear almost as if by magic. The key is to fully commit and immerse yourself in a new mindset of abundance. Commit to your talisman daily through affirmations, visualizations, and treating it as the powerful activator it is. Believe, feel, and receive the financial freedom that is your birthright. If any part still resists or doubts, simply observe those stories of scarcity and fear without judgment. The old programming runs deep after living in a consciousness of lack for so long, but you have the opportunity to make a new choice and step into your true vibration of prosperity. Keep taking steps, no matter how small, that demonstrate your unshakable expectation of wealth. Put your talisman to work to strengthen your own receptive mindset. You might be surprised by the miracles that unfold swiftly. If you found this ritual valuable and desire more support in manifestation, let me know in the comments. Was there any part that really resonated with you or excited you to create your talisman? I am so passionate about sharing these ancient secrets of prosperity because I want you to know it's possible. You've already set unstoppable energies in motion. Trust in this sacred ritual, keep your vibration high and abundant, and get ready to receive, because wealth is on its way. Trust in this powerful exercise and allow it to unleash the flow of abundance in your life. I invite you to leave a comment sharing what you most desire to attract into your life right now. Affirm your intention with confidence and clarity in the present. Also, if this content has been helpful to you, I encourage you to subscribe and like this video. Don't miss the opportunity to explore more videos like this on the channel Los Hilos de Vida. May your journey to prosperity be filled with light and success.